Hey, welcome. In this video I will just explain a few options for table and pagination in Laravel and Vue. So I'm not going to implement this in this video, but in the next video I will show you which one of these I am going to use. But this video is important because you have to know which one of these is suitable for you and why you should use it, why shouldn't you use some of this. So basically, if you go to the Vue Awesome, Vue Awesome is a repository for Vue.js. You can find a lot of awesome resources about Vue.js. So this is like just a repository. It is going to show you all the things you need about Vue.js. If you come to the table part of this one or pagination, you will see different types of packages for Vue.js, but we don't need to worry about all of this stuff. I will just show you a few examples and a few packages which were popular you can use with Laravel and Vue, with both of them. So I have tested some of them and I know how they are going to work. So one of them is this Vue table 2, which is specific for Vue.js. It is not like for Laravel. It does not have to do anything in the backend, but you can implement this one in your application and it will give you all the necessary actions you need. For example, the actions like this is the next page, like it will give you a pagination number, as well as some of the, like you can use drag and drop to order them, and all of those stuff here you have them. Plus they will show you the data here. The best thing about this one is it is going to take all the information from your database, so you don't have the opportunity to use Ajax request for another one. I think then their API, they must have something like that. If you click on the next page, it should send an HTTP request and get information when you click, but some of these tables they do not. So if I go to the other one, this one is by SpyTV. They have a lot of great packages for Laravel. This one is for Vue.js. So if you come here, it is basically just like sorting. If I go to the example here, they will show you the information in the table, but it is not a pagination. For example, you can sort them something like this by first name, last name, something like that, by the song, but they do not have a pagination. The other one is the one which is a lot complex, which is Vue table. Of course, this is a little complex because if your application is a little bit complex, you can use this package for Laravel and Vue. It will work for both of them. So the thing is, they will have a lot of filtering here, like you can choose a category, maybe you can select the date between two dates and salary maximum and minimum. The actions you can do, like you can chunk select, and let's say you can do one of the action, delete some of the data, something like that, and it has a lot of things. Here is the Excel one. If you click on this one, it's not going to export the Excel file, it will just show you a pop-up. If you scroll down here, you can hide the code, you can show the code here. The thing is, they will give you a nice like a demo of the code that you can use. For example, in the front end, what you will use, this is what you can use in the front end, and in the back end, the code will look like this: the route, the model, the controller, and the example of the table they want to display, like they have it. It is a bit complex, but yeah, if your project is that much complex to display the data like this, feel free to use this one. For us, all we need is a simple and nice pagination, which comes to the next one, which is this one, Laravel Vue pagination. It does not have too much stored on GitHub, but it will do the things we want. It will just display the pagination like this, like the one you have in Laravel by default. Laravel and Bootstrap, they have pagination, but when you use Vue.js, you do not have that one. So this package is exactly for that. And the good thing about this package is, in the first page, it will display the information. Let's say you have 10 users, it will display 10 users. This is going to work like a server side. It will not take 100 or 1000 users you have in your database, and it will not chunk all of them in the JavaScript. It will take those information if you go to page 2, page 3, page 4, and it will send HTTP request to the server and get those new information. That's why I like this one, and it will do exactly what we want. So I will use this one. Beside this one, there are, I think, some of other pagination packages for Laravel specific that you can just check them out in the Vue Awesome in the pagination section. So what I'm going to use is, I'm going to use this package in the next video, and I will explain every details about this package and how it is useful. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.